The sun, where'd you go? You're dropping drops on me. They're like water, H2O. Do we call it that today? Man, where's the sun? I had to turn my fan on to like number 5. And it's only got another 7 speeds or 4 speeds. And it's a solar powered fan. It generates from the sun and it doesn't hold 24 hours like it's supposed to. The 18650 batteries on one will wear out before 12 hours. So I put on my own 12-volt battery, 2, not 1, so I could put it up there higher and have at least 72 hours of runtime. I'm Fish. I always give a nice loud laugh, happy laugh when this ever goes on. It makes me happy to see it works. And that's the way it should. Oh yeah. Show like, show share, show. You know how that goes. Oh yeah, I got a lot of things. I gotta get them done. But it's, that time again. What am I supposed to do? Please ya? I shared an excellent video, and no way it was bad. It helped out to show you how it works. And that was the Fuel Aim X5. Oh man, that's going to be my review product showcase. You got it. Sound recorder. On the go, on the go. I use something else. I use my Logitech. I'm happy with it, but doesn't mean I have to use a mic all the time. It's a short ride today. I got to get some things taken care of. Yeah, it's a yearly thing and it's that time again. You got it. My eyes see darkness. I see brightness. Yeah. All right. I'm almost where I need to be at. So I can give you a little talk down. My mind is playing tricks with me with the ZV-1F and the ZV-1 Mark II. When I use the Mark II, I feel that the video is lower level in low light. And I feel that the 1F is brighter in ways. And then yesterday when I was just doing some things, not autofocus, my focus was set to wide, and I guess the tracking somehow kept getting canceled. I'm not sure why. I got a medium, a large box. All right, I think it's back to norm now. Oh man, I told you not to come here. The seats are all wet again. I gotta go to the little chairs or maybe the table down there. At least this seat's dry, not as wet as the other. Well, sophistication, technology, oh man, I'm no mood for it anymore. It's just overwhelming. We have a Mitsubishi split unit, dual zone, not cold. The Fujitsu was colder, and R410 was to be discontinued 6 months ago, and they're still selling it. So, man, I got a project ahead of me now. Right, Mr. Spies? You're flying around right here. Oh, yeah, that's the way it is, man. They just fly in your face, and they get in your eyes and all that good stuff. I don't know what to say. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, and man, it's like, did it rain already? Is it going to come out, the sun? I got things to do. I did some of it yesterday. I got to do this rejection one over again. And I'm just going to do it the best I can. Get it out there. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but it'll get done. And never going to be quiet. So I'm going to use my Fuel Aim X5, and it's going to be for my first review. Hopefully you do a good job. I like this mic here. I like the Logitech. Doesn't weigh a lot. Very light. It's very, very small. does a nice job for the camera I'm using on the go. Well, when I put in my little adapter, it fell right off the camera. So again, I got to look at the USB-C port of the Aloratech. It just may need to be rounded off just a little, not a lot, just a little to get it going. You know, you can always put a dab of rubber cement on one side of it, and that should hold it in. Not a lot. There's a lot you could do. JB Welding may do the trick, but you want to be careful how you do it, because there's always a little notch, and that little notch holds things in. Well, maybe port doors need to be made a little bit better today. I don't know. It is what it is, man. Maybe I'll do that battery operated fan, camping fan, 12-inch outdoors, supposed to run a very long time. Takes 18650 batteries. Oh yeah. And I got one running in the my room, and it's off of a solar panel. And like I said, I put a 7AH on there, and I got another 12-volt battery that's got a lot of amp hours, and gonna run all day today, tomorrow, and the next day. And whatever sun it could get on that panel there, they do a great job. It runs 24/7 at a nice soft speed. I may have to just bring it a little closer because I don't feel it as much. Man, these suckers just get into your hair and they bite you. I'm all itchy. I'm gonna get on the road and get going. These gnats, their invasion of the gnats, man. I'm gonna send them to you. I think I'm gonna do a long trip today. Oh yeah. And it's about 4. Yeah. It's going to be to the amusement park. I'm going to try to get on down there and take the, maybe the Sony ZV-1 Mark II and go get some footage and use the Flame X5, Flame X5. Now, yeah, it's great microphone. I'm not crying or complaining about the $114 mic. And yeah, you have to make a decision, right? If it's a mic that you want to look for. I didn't want to keep on with the DJI wireless mic. I'm not going to be touching the camera if it's all the way over there and be on the camera and touch everything. Maybe, with the Osmo Action 3, I have a touch screen and that will control the receiver. No, it didn't even do that for that amount of money. Now, the receiver didn't even have voice control. That would have been great. It didn't have any EQ controls. That would have been great. The hallmark lock, man, that's competition to the DJI, but they got a dial. Who wants to spin the dial when you could touch a screen and move it around? Yeah, man, mics are mics. They do a great job, no matter which mic you have with you at the time. It's that time of month again. Now I gotta give a daily report. Oh yeah. And the report's gonna be about God, and so stay tuned for that video, guys and gals. You're gonna be surprised what I got. Oh man, nothing's ready yet, but man, they're just right there. I got a pepper that bigger than my hand, I think. Oh man, it's really big. It's got like all these bells on the plant. A lot of bells. Yeah, I tell you. Well, you know how it goes towards my end. I said a lot, did a lot, and I talked a lot, and I shared a lot, I showed a lot, seen a lot. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. See ya!